leaving Black Island. And we've got some speed up, as you can see. And there's Black Island. You understand why it's called Black Island now? As the sun sets behind it, it really goes black. There's the sun up here. Bye bye Black Island. So I hope you've enjoyed the trip. I know we've had a fantastic day. And I hope it inspires you to come and join us here in Busuanga, because this is how we spend our life. At least once a week we do something like this. So come join us, you're very welcome, and we look forward to seeing you. So just send us a message if you want to come, and we'll help you organize your tours and help you organize boats and anything you need. And you can have a wonderful, wonderful stay and go to the best places and not encounter all the tourists, because we know when to go, when not to go, and we know where the tourists all go. So have a great day, I'll see you soon.